Nothing is wrong enough to leave, but nothing is right enough to stay. That is how you're feeling in your current job, your career, your corporate person, your professional. Nothing is wrong enough to leave, nothing is right enough to stay, and you've got this imbalance. I'd like to share with you that that's how I actually felt for very many years. Eventually in January, when I started doing digital online marketing, it opened up a world for me to see where I can share my purpose, where I can actually start a business that is for me, that I can work from home and I don't have to have all those pressures and strategies and the meetings and the traveling and all that of a full-time job. If you are feeling like that, just message me, yes, and let's have a one-to-one conversation online. And perhaps there's something that we can come up for you, where you can actually say, yes, there's enough for me to leave, or yes, there's enough for me to stay, but I want to do this part-time as well. Just message me, we can have a one-to-one.